Did you know that during the holiday season, Americans spend over $1 trillion on shopping, travel, and festivities? That's right. And here's the thing. While most people are out there spending, you could be on the other side of that equation, making extra cash. In fact, some people make enough money during this season to cover their entire year's expenses, or even launch full-time businesses. So, if you're looking for a way to make some serious money this holiday season without giving up all your time, stick around. I'm about to break down 10 tried and true holiday side hustles that can help you cash in while everyone else is spending. These hustles are perfect for people of all skill levels, and I'll share actionable tips for getting started right away. Number 8 is definitely something you must try. Let's dive in. Number 1. Holiday gift wrapping services. Let's kick things off with something simple but incredibly profitable. Gift wrapping services. Believe it or not, many people are terrible at wrapping gifts, or they simply don't have the time. That's where you come in. How to start. Offer your services locally by advertising on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or even your personal social media accounts. Partner with local businesses or malls. Many stores don't offer gift wrapping, but customers are willing to pay for convenience. Set up a booth at holiday fairs or markets. You can charge per item wrapped or offer bundle deals. How much can you make? People typically charge $5 to $15 per gift, depending on the size and complexity. If you manage to wrap 10 to 20 gifts an hour, you're looking at $50 to $200 per hour in income. Invest in unique and beautiful wrapping materials. When your wrapping stands out, word of mouth can lead to even more customers. Number 2. Selling holiday-themed products on Etsy. Etsy is a goldmine for holiday side hustles. People love handmade, unique, and personalized gifts, especially during the holidays. What to sell? Personalized ornaments, stockings, or holiday cards. Handmade candles, wreaths, or decor. Digital products like printable holiday planners, gift tags, or holiday-themed art. How to start? Open an Etsy shop. It's free and easy. Use trending keywords like Christmas, holiday, and personalized in your product descriptions to show up in search results. Promote your shop on social media platforms like Pinterest, which is huge for holiday shopping. How much can you make? Depending on what you sell, you can make anywhere from $500 to $5,000 or more during the holiday season. Some Etsy sellers even make a full-time income from holiday sales alone. Start early. Many people begin holiday shopping as early as October, so the sooner you list your products, the better. If you know you will become not just rich, but a wealthy, type "I am unstoppable" in the comment. Number 3. Becoming a holiday freelancer on platforms like Fiverr. If you have any kind of skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, or even creating social media posts, you can make money freelancing during the holidays. Many businesses ramp up their marketing efforts during the season and need extra help. What services are in demand? Designing holiday-themed social media posts, banners, or ads. Writing holiday blog posts, email campaigns, or product descriptions. Editing promotional videos for holiday sales. How to start? Create profiles on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Offer holiday-specific services, such as holiday email campaign copywriting or Christmas-themed social media post design. Use festive visuals in your portfolio and gig descriptions to to attract attention. How much can you make? Freelancers on Fiverr charge anywhere from $25 to $500 plus per gig, depending on the complexity and demand. If you secure a few clients, you could easily earn $1,000 or more in just a few weeks. Pro tip: offer quick turnaround times. Many businesses are working on tight schedules and will pay a premium for fast delivery. Number 4. Renting out holiday decorations or costumes. Do you have a collection of holiday decorations or costumes sitting in storage? Turn them into a money-making machine by renting them out to people who don't want to buy their own. What to rent out? Inflatable lawn decorations, Christmas lights, or nativity scenes. Santa Claus, elf, or holiday party costumes. Tableware, centerpieces, or event props for holiday parties. How to start? List your items on rental platforms like Fat Llama or local Facebook groups. Take clear, high-quality photos of each item and include measurements or details. Offer delivery and pickup options for an additional fee. How much can you make? People are willing to pay $20 to $200 per item for rentals, depending on the size and value. If you have a large inventory, you could easily make $1,000 plus during the season. Pro tip: require a security deposit to protect your items from damage or loss. Number 5. Hosting holiday-themed workshops or events. If you're crafty, creative, or have a knack for hosting, consider running holiday-themed workshops or events. Ideas for workshops: DIY wreath making, ornament making, or candle making. Cookie decorating or holiday baking classes. Virtual workshops on gift wrapping or creating holiday centerpieces. How to start? Partner with local community centers, schools, or businesses to host in-person events. If you prefer virtual, use platforms like Zoom or Eventbrite to organize and promote your workshops. Charge a fee to cover materials and your time. How much can you make? Workshops can bring in $25 to $100 per participant, depending on the activity. With 10 to 20 participants per session, you could earn $1,000 or more in a weekend. Pro tip: offer a take-home kit or recorded version of your workshop for additional revenue. Number 6. Holiday photography services. The holiday season is one of the most popular times for family photos, Christmas cards, and event photography. If you have a camera and a good eye for photography, this could be your perfect side hustle. What to offer? Mini photo shoots for families, couples, or pets. Event photography for holiday parties or corporate gatherings. Santa photo sessions at local events or malls. How to start? Advertise locally on social media, community boards, or through word of mouth. Offer package deals, such as 20-minute sessions with 5 edited photos. Rent or create a holiday-themed backdrop to make your photos stand out. How much can you make? Photographers can charge $100 to $500 plus per session, depending on the length and number of photos included. A few clients a week could easily bring in $2,000 to $5,000 during the season. Pro tip: offer early bird discounts to book clients ahead of time and secure your schedule. If you want to know more about luxury, wealth, and lifestyle, my channel has a variety of topics, including personal finance, success tips, and insights into the lives of wealthy individuals aimed at helping you improve your life and achieve your goals. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bells, because I dish out valuable wealth-making information every week. Number 7. Delivery driver for holiday packages. With the explosion of online shopping during the holidays, delivery services are in high demand. Companies like Amazon, UPS, and FedEx often hire seasonal drivers, and you can also deliver locally through apps like DoorDash, Instacart, or Uber Eats. How to start? Apply directly to companies like Amazon Flex or UPS for seasonal positions. Sign up as a driver for delivery apps. Offer your services to local businesses that need help with last-mile deliveries. How much can you make? Seasonal drivers can earn $15 to $30 per hour, plus tips in some cases. Working 20 hours a week could bring in an extra $1,200 to $2,400 in just a month. Pro tip: deliver during peak hours, evenings, and weekends to maximize earnings. Number 8. Renting out your extra space for holiday storage. Do you have a garage, basement, or spare room that's sitting empty? Many people need extra storage space during the holidays for gifts, decorations, or even furniture. How to start? List your space on platforms like Neighbor.com. Be clear about the size, location, and accessibility of your space. Set competitive rates based on your area. How much can you make? Storage spaces can rent for $50 to $300 per month, depending on the size and location. If you have multiple spaces, this could easily add up to $1,000 plus during the season. Pro tip: offer short-term rental options to attract holiday shoppers who don't need long-term storage. Number 9. Starting a holiday cleaning service. The holidays are chaotic, and many people are willing to pay for help with cleaning before hosting parties or after big events. What to offer? Pre-event cleaning services to get homes guest ready. Post-party cleanup to handle the mess after the festivities. Specialized services like cleaning ovens, carpets, or windows. How to start? Advertise locally through flyers, social media, or word of mouth. Offer package deals for multiple services or recurring customers. Bring your own supplies to make it easier for clients. How much can you make? Cleaning services can charge $25 to $50 per hour, or flat rates of $100 to $300 per job. A few clients a week could bring in $1,000 or more in just a month. Pro tip: offer a satisfaction guarantee to build trust and encourage referrals. Number 10. Selling pre-made holiday meals or treats. If you're a talented cook or baker, the holidays are the perfect time to sell pre-made meals, desserts, or treats. Many people want homemade food but don't have the time to make it themselves. What to sell? Holiday cookies, cakes, or pies. Pre-made meal kits or fully cooked dishes like turkey, ham, or casseroles. DIY hot cocoa kits, cookie decorating kits, or festive charcuterie boards. How to start? Advertise locally on Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, or community boards. Partner with local businesses to sell your items. Offer delivery or pickup options for convenience. How much can you make? Depending on what you sell, you could make anywhere from $500 to $5,000 plus during the holiday season. People are willing to pay a premium for quality and convenience, especially during a busy time of year. Pro tip: package your items beautifully to make them gift-worthy, and include reheating or storage instructions for added value. There you have it, 10 holiday side hustles that can help you make extra money this season. Whether you're looking to earn a few $100 or launch a full-blown business, The opportunities are endless. Remember, the key to success is starting early, offering value, and spreading the word. So, which of these side hustles are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use some extra cash this holiday season. If you want to find out the laziest ways to make money, then click on the next video and start making lazy money.